In this project, we will be coding a single operator calculator. The functionality of the calculator will include adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing two numbers, updating the screen with custom messages in case of invalid calculations such as 0 divided by 0, clearing the calculator screen, adding decimals, and coding in a backspace key to delete the last character on the calculator screen. This will be a hands-on project and you will code the functions for this calculator from scratch. Some of the topics introduced in this project are global and local variables, booleans, comparison and equality operators, DOM methods and properties, string methods and properties, and others. With that, let's go ahead and start our calculator project.